Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lower chlorine level in pool. High chlorine levels can irritate skin and eyes, and even damage pool equipment. We'll cover several effective methods to bring your pool back to a safe and comfortable balance. It's important to act quickly to protect both swimmers and your investment. Let's dive into the steps you can take right now. There are several reliable ways to reduce excess chlorine. Chemical neutralizers work quickly, but use them carefully to avoid overcorrection. Sunlight is a natural and free method, especially effective on sunny days. For very high levels, diluting your pool water by draining some and refilling with fresh water is a powerful option. Choose the method that best suits your situation. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Seriously, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are amazing. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Preventing high chlorine levels is easier than correcting them. Consistent testing helps you catch issues early, allowing for minor adjustments. Be mindful of how much chlorine you're adding, especially after heavy use or rain. Understanding your pool's needs and reacting proactively will keep your water balanced and enjoyable for everyone. Small, regular adjustments are key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.